Today, my biggest PDR dent removal and my #1 repair secret. I'm going to save this quarter panel by using PDR. The paint is broken badly. It will need to be lightly filled and painted.
Whoa, what's up with the banging? You all right? You acting like you have that flu. Are you okay? What are you doing? Aren't you going to train me today on that Toyota rear quarter panel? I'm warming up and I'm warming up my tool. Then I'm going to carefully tape my tool. Bars and flat bars are for beginners. The road we are going down, you're gonna need frame racks and big pulleys.
Hey there, my friends. It's Clark Ken, Dent Discount here in San Jose, California. I'm gonna go on a little PDR journey and you guys get to go along with me. So take a look at this quarter panel. We're gonna use some PDR glue tabs. See if I can turn my camera around. We're just gonna replace the door. But the quarter panel itself, here, down into the dog leg. And we're gonna start tonight and see how far we can go. And you guys get to watch. Alrighty, stay tuned. Today I'm going to let you a little further into my mindset, my PDR dent shop environment. Keep in mind, while you're watching this video, I am attempting this dent. This is where I want you to be down the road. I have talked to many of my YouTube subscribers around the world. They have been practicing paintless dent repair during this time of crisis. I wasn't going to put this video up. However, my subscribers inspired me to do so. This is how I practice, and this is my #1 big dent repair secret to getting really good. And that is, I do a lot of push to paint. Broken paint is a secret within a secret. It is a sign of over-displaced wrinkled metal. Pulling collapsed panels will sculpt your mind as you're sculpting metal. This is how I have been getting better through the years. I can sit here or stand here and entertain you on how I take out eye-popping, eye-candy dents. That's not my mission. My mission and my vision is for you to start removing extreme big dents. I want you someday to begin to entertain me on crazy smash repairs. I'm going to get a good percentage of this dent out so it can be painted. The bigger message is by you watching me attempt large damage, then you would begin to do the same. I am hoping this message is helpful. There is a message within a message hidden in every push to paint. A tiny little secret that will awaken the creative dent genius in you. Thank you for coming along on this fun quarter panel save. I have more extreme big dent repair playlists on my channel. If you enjoyed the video, it'd be great to get a thumbs up. If you're wanting to be the first to see my next video release, hit the sub and notification button. Continue forging your fortune and forging your dent future.